try to do it as fast as I can because the sun is kind of like bothering me. But I'm waiting on this man to finish talking. Bienvenidos atrás a mi canal. Sé que I haven't really vlogged as much, or I haven't really recorded any videos because I really have not been doing nothing lately. I really just been in my house most of the time. We go get food, come back, and that's basically it. But it's the weekend now. It's like around 6 o'clock. We're about to go to church, and we're gonna go cenar. So that's basically like, that's gonna be my whole night. So I don't know if I'm gonna vlog something else of this day or not, but I'm gonna try to vlog because I am almost leaving in like a couple days. So yeah. Oh, and I got my nails done. I posted them on Snapchat. A lot of y'all thought I got them done at ATO, but I didn't. I got them done here by one of like my family members, like faraway family members. She did a great job and they're beautiful. So yeah. Before I get into the actual vlog or whatever the case might be, I want to somebody was just looking at me. I want to thank you all, like literally thank you from the bottom of my heart to everybody who cared, prayed for my family, because a lot of you girls thought that like something was wrong with me, that I came to Mexico all of a sudden. But it wasn't nothing major. It was mostly like a lot of healing that we had to do because COVID really knocked us down. It really knocked us down in certain aspects. So we just came to Mexico to relax, and we're about to go back. I have so many appointments to do, makeup wise. I have school and everything, so I have a lot on my schedule. So I have to go back. I was planning to stay here for a while, but then I realized, and I was like, I have my job over there, and I'm, you know, barely getting out of this pandemic when it comes to my job as a makeup artist. Like now everything is kind of going back to normal, you can say, but we're fine. I appreciate like everyone who was texting me. Like, you guys are the best. You guys are texting me nonstop, asking me if I was okay, and I am fine. I just wanted to say thank you guys. Thank you so much for caring about me, for caring about my family, and I love you all so very much. Hope you guys enjoy. I apologize also if this is not like my regular vlogs, but you guys have to understand that this is obviously a different type of lifestyle because of everything that's going on. So there's not much to do, but I try to vlog as much as I can. Outside of my cousin's house. I'm waiting on her to open the door. She needs to hurry up. I'm scared to stay by myself. There's the guy looking at me. Oh my god. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hola. Dios. No me. Saludos.
Saludos. Ya.
Vámonos. Ay, cuida tu cría.
Bye.
Ay, nos vemos. Que se cuiden. Sí. tú diles a dónde vamos.
Al cumpleaños de mi hermana.
Yes. Yo me iba a dormir, pero mañana
Salimos de misa primeramente.
oh sí.
Y le dije, vámonos a la fiesta. Y Lluvia me dijo, ¿cuál fiesta? Y yo, pues a la de la sorpresa de mi hermana.
Y pues ahí vamos.
Pues ahí vamos.
I got home like about 20 yeah, probably like 20 minutes ago. But right now I am in the living room with my nephews, and it was like a little it wasn't like where I went, it wasn't really like a party, it was more like a dinner, and we had like shrimp alfredo with like, you know, wine, because we classy. So I had a glass of wine and I took like about a shot. I didn't drink that much. And
You did that for real?
hmm?
You took a shot?
Yes.
You're not drunk?
No. So yeah, I got home and I'm right now chilling with my nephews. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow because
I'm not gonna tell them, but
most likely they're gonna go with their other grandma and their other family. So I'm gonna be pretty lonely tomorrow, but we're gonna see. And I'm really tired because last night me, my sister, and my sister-in-law stood up till like almost 4 in the morning talking. So I think I'm about to go to sleep, but bye, good night. Hi guys, so it's Saturday now and I just finished getting ready. Not completely, but I did something simple on my makeup. Just applied concealer, lashes, blush and highlight, and I just changed. I'm wearing like a pink, where's the logo? A pink shirt with black leggings and some gray shoes. Some of the rocks of my nails are falling off, but other than that, let's see what I do today. So right now we're about to go to Tizapan. It's gonna be my first time taking like the big truck, and my family is so scared. They think I don't know how to drive. So my dad turned it on. Yeah, so let's go. And I think me and my family are gonna make a comidita because we're almost leaving, so stay tuned. Okay, so right now me and Angelito, say hi Angelito.
hi.
We're going to the store because we're making aguachile.
Soy del mar espuma, soy triste lamento, yo soy basurita que arrastra el viento. Cuando vine al mundo, yo nací llorando y ay Dios, desde entonces sigo llorando, soy como el ave que va volando por un desierto, buscando oriente, encontré el ocaso, buscando dicha, encontré el dolor.
¿Quieren salir?
Sí.
Bueno, tú agarra la cámara. Agárrala.
¿De dónde está? Haga luz para que vea. No vamos a recortar, ¿qué pedo? Ya, volteate, agarra con otra mano.
Ahora volteate hacia la luz. Así. ¿Está? ¿Están listos? Ok. Ahorita estamos en la plaza. Vamos a ir a la plaza, no sé a qué. Vamos a ir a cenar y pues ahí andar. ¿Qué más vamos a hacer?
Pues solo porque
Bueno, pues nos vamos a ver qué hacemos porque hoy es sábado.